Let's talk about the gradient tools Inkscape offers. One is the linear gradient tool and the other one is the mesh gradient tool. Let's talk about the linear gradient. So I have this square created. So what I will do is select the gradient tool or press G on your keyboard. Now click and drag the gradient tool so it will create a gradient. Now you can adjust these settings here, but I'll go to fill and stroke. Now you can see there are two stops. One stop is yellow and the other one is transparent. We'll make the transparency 0 and change its color. You can now adjust this using the slider, or you can directly adjust using the canvas. If you want to add a stop, just click on double click and you will add a stop, or you can double click here as well and you can change the offset. You can even change the color, and there's another option. So this gradient continues from left to right, so what we can do is change this to direct. Now you can see there's a repeating pattern. You can adjust the gradient line in the canvas so that you can make patterns using this. And if you give the reflected option, now every gradient in the pattern has opposite directions. You can flip the gradient, and you can add different gradients. So these are the ones I have already added and you can see them. So if we add another gradient, then we can change its color. We can change it to direct or none. So we can select the mode and select the circular gradient. You can click from here or here. So now you can see it is a radial gradient. You can change its colors. So that's how the gradient tool works.